the girl repeated once more, watching as the principal's expression contorted into a serious one from his usual jovial look. He stared at the girl, distraught, before reaching over to grab his phone and call someone. "I've called your mother. Our school cannot allow such actions to happen without consequences. You are expelled. Please leave my office." Now even more confused than before, should that be possible, the girl stood up, fetched her backpack, and ran home. Her mother certainly...
But Bluebird, comment here. I searched a Bluebird meaning. I only got positive results. Why did she go to jail? Comments say Bluebird was a forbidden word. No, she ate. Maybe. She died. Oh, secret staycation. She saw Bluebird everyone hated